The Bow River has been an engineered and managed river for over 100 years. Irrigation has been and will continue to be part of that story. At this time, irrigation produces 40% of the world's food. Hope of feeding the world's population tomorrow will rely on irrigation to at least that extent, but most likely more. Compared to much of the world, irrigation in the Bow River Basin in Alberta, Canada, is both sustainable and efficient. It is among the most modern irrigation systems in the world. Some may balk at the word sustainable if used to describe irrigation on the Bow River. There is a commonly held belief that the river will starve for water when and if the glaciers feeding it disappear. The reality is, glaciers represent only 1% of the Bow River's flow below the city of Calgary. The more important sources of the Bow are snowpack and rainfall, which will still exist when the glaciers are gone. While some of the influences on the future of the Bow River will no doubt be beyond human control, there is still much that can and should be done to protect the river that sustains its population. Every saving of water by automation, science, communication, and best practices in the field will help the Bow River retain volume and health. There is enough water in the Bow for all its present users, and irrigation required to feed the population will continue as long as the river runs. One of the strengths of Bow River irrigation is the relative youth of the system. Even after 100 years, it is sophisticated, efficient, and the envy of many other systems around the world. But it also has the scope and energy to change, if and when change is for the better.